Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change app icon settings on BTC account. So first we're going to go to the BTC app. Then once you guys are here, you're going to click on the three lines on the top left corner of the app. Then again, you're going to click on settings found at the top right corner. Then as you can see, there's the custom app icon. You're going to click on it. So as you can see, that's the default or current one, but we also have different ones. But these are unlocked if you are more than VIP3 users. So you guys need to reach VIP3 as you can see here. So if you guys reach there, you guys can select any app icon you want and click on select. So that's how you change your app icon. It's a very simple step, but you guys have to reach VIP3. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store, such as for cryptocurrency and trading app. So make sure you download it. Make sure you guys also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.